In these projects, we'd like to recommend the following. Please invest time in the scope definition. When the scope is defined poorly, you may realize later in the process that data is missing or incomplete. This usually means you have to start the process over again. If you define the scope well, it will save you time down the road and the cleansing will be more efficient. Do consider the timing. Do the cleansing in the legacy system, not during migration when you have the pressure of a go-live. And lastly, start early. The CDQ approach to identifying duplicates can be done fairly quickly. However, it takes time to remove and merge duplicates in the respective ERP system.